Hi guys, namaste. So today I'm doing this very subtle pink look, which is very Indian look. So I thought to do this because today is the last day of Navratra and I was wearing this suit, yeah, this pastel color suit, and I thought that pink will look really nice with this, but for the daytime I didn't want it to go very loud, so I have just used light pink shades and this very muted plum shade on my lips. So if you want to achieve this look, so keep on watching this video. So I'm starting off with this primer from Color Bar. It mattifies your skin and even it smoothens down your skin, so it's good to use this primer in summers, and it also helps to let your makeup stay on your face for long hours. So I'm taking a tiny amount on my fingers. Now I'm using this L'Oreal foundation. This is L'Oreal Magic Nude Liquid Powder Foundation, and again this is very lightweight to use in summers and ज़्यादा heavy नहीं लगता है ये face पे. It's very lightweight और बहुत natural लगता है. तो दिन में अगर आपको मेकअप करना है तो this foundation is really good to use in the daytime. I think I'm not satisfied with the coverage, so I'll take few more drops of this foundation and reapply it on my face. I'm not using much, thoda sa hi I'm using on the areas where I have dark spot or more pigmentation. And also you don't need to blend this foundation with a brush or a beauty blender, क्योंकि इस पे मेंशन यही करा है इस फाउंडेशन पे that you have to blend this with your hands only. Now I'm using this cover up stick from Color Bar. This is in the shade Warm Beige. So I'll be covering my pigmented areas like around my mouth, under my eyes, and wherever I have to highlight. So I'll use this cover up stick or concealer. I'm using this as my highlighting thing. So I'm using this under my eyes, on my eyelid, around my mouth, and now I will blend this with this sponge from Color Bar.
This sponge is really nice. इससे बहुत अच्छे से blend हो जाता है, so it's really nice and small.
Next I'm using this Dior eyeshadow quad. So it has 5 colors, but I'm using this copper color because I want the look to be very subtle and for the daytime, so I'm not using bold colors right now. So I'm using this copper color as my transition shade over here. I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Primark, and I'll be using this Old Rose pink color. This is very light and perfect for the daytime, so I don't want to go dark with my makeup, so I'll be using this shade of pink on my eyelids. This is looking little ashy on my eyes, so I'll use this color. This is little dark than this color, so I'll mix both of these colors and apply it on my eyelids. And one more thing, do not forget to blend it well. ये separate नहीं लगना चाहिए. The transition color and the color you are applying on your lids should not look separate. बहुत blend आप इसे अच्छे से करना, otherwise it will not give a perfect look. To highlight my inner corners, I'm using this the lightest shade in this Dior palette. So I'll use this shade to highlight my inner corners. I'm using the same lightest shade to highlight my brow bone. So I'll take some color of this and apply it under my brows. Now I'm using this eye pen from Lakme Absolute. So this is in the color black. So I'll make a wedged eyeliner over here. Now I'm using this iconic over curl mascara from Dior, and it really curls your lashes very nicely. So I'll just use one coat of it. Now I'm setting my face with this L'Oreal Matte Magique Compact, and it really mattifies your face, and my face is feeling very sticky right now because it's summers and my face produces a lot of oil. Next I'm using this Lotus blush, and they haven't mentioned the name on it. I think this is in the shade Mauve or something. This is Mauve and it looks like this. This is very muted pink, not muted, like plumish mauve color, and it comes with this brush which is of, see, it is of no use. So I'll apply this blush with another brush. Now I am using this lip shade from Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse, and this is in the shade Rose Touch. It is very lightweight and it's perfect for the daytime. The shade is plumish mauve pinkish with pinkish undertones, so it's perfect for the daytime. So this is the final look which I achieved. मैं कैमरे के इतनी आगे इसलिए आ गई हूँ क्योंकि पीछे से दिख नहीं रहा था, and as I have told you that today is Ashtami Navami and my house is just in front of Mandir. So if I would have been shooting outside my home तो कीर्तन जगराते की आवाज़ आ रही होती बहुत ज़्यादा. So this is the final look, and for my hairs I'm doing nothing. I'll just pin this up like this. अब ना मैं भंडारा खाने जा रही हूँ, तो वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कर देना, कमेंट भी कर देना और सब्सक्राइब तो कर ही लेना. जय माता दी, जय श्री राम.